but everybody calls me Jale, so I'm
Jale.
well known as Jale. And I am a transformational coach, and now I am an international speaker. And before coming to this course, I was just like panicking. I knew that I have a message. I knew that I have something big that I have to put out to the world. I used to help hundreds of women to get out of their house and do something that they love. And I was doing that one-to-one coaching. And I was searching for help and see how could I get this message. I'm also an author of a book called Transform Your Life with Jale in 12 weeks. So that's what I do. And I had a lot of struggle in just speaking as we're doing here now. So fearing that nobody's going to listen to my message. So that's boring. That's not, oh, what is that? Transform your life, you know? And with the help with this team, so when I got to the websites and I found them, I was just searching everything about them. It took me 1 week really, and I just registered, and then I put Lily's on my WhatsApp straight away. I don't remember what I asked her, it just came back straight away and say, wow, this is real people. Because sometimes it's just on the website, they have millions of people, and when you talk to them, it's just like automatic messages, yeah? So I don't like that. And I said, this is real people, they talk to us. So I'm gonna be there. So I prepared myself, and I said, okay, I was so nervous, what I'm gonna do, I have to participate, I have to go on stage, I have to stand up, I have to talk, and I have to say something about my message. But you know, I was panicking. So on Saturday, my little one, which is 4, she starts with chicken pox everywhere. And she has a high fever, she was crying, she needed me. So I was at home and just like, oh, maybe it's not for me to go, you know? But I insisted, and I said, okay, so I got my older daughter, which is 19 years old, and I said, can you stay here for and babysit her just on Sunday? She said, yes, of course, and then I came. So I did this course, and after that, I just felt like so comfortable here. So with this all warm atmosphere, everybody is awesome. So I found each stories, you know, everybody just like amazing, really. And where I am now, today is December 2019, and I'm speaking in Singapore, I'm speaking in Brazil, I'm taking my message to the mothers in Brazil. My story, now everybody's listening to my story, and it's important because they're changing their lives because of my story. So if you want to take this course, so please do it. It's going to change your life.